Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. This is Sumalata. In this video, I am going to explain exercise 3.1 of 8th class Maths, chapter Construction of Quadrilaterals. First question, see here, construct the quadrilaterals with the given measurements and write steps of construction. Okay, see A question, quadrilateral ABCD with AB 5.5 cm, BC 3.5 cm and CD 4 cm, AD is 5 cm and angle A 45 degrees. Okay, it is degrees and remaining all sides, length of the sides of a quadrilateral. See here, on the solution I wrote the given information. In quadrilateral ABCD, AB 5.5 cm, BC 3.5, CD 4 and AD 5 cm, angle A 45 degrees. Now construction steps we need to write. First, for that we should draw a rough diagram and main diagram. We can call this as a main diagram. Okay. For that, roughly see, first we should take AB is a line segment which is having length 5.5 centimeter. Okay, after that with the center A you need to draw one arc and one ray. Okay, why? Because angle A 45 given, no, so we should draw one ray for the triangle and one arc for this CD 4 centimeter. Okay, sorry, 4 centimeter not, you have to draw an arc which is having 5 centimeter from center A, no, so AD length we should take 5 centimeter. Okay, after that this ray and arc meet at one point, that point let us take it as D. Now by using center B and D you can draw the two arcs which are equal 4 centimeter 3.5 centimeter. These two arcs meet at a point C. Now you can join CD and BC, then you will get a quadrilateral. How we can draw that I will show you. Simply here you can use the instruments square scale and actually I don't have compass. This is a divider. Just compass, it will be, you can, one metal pointer will be one side we should keep the pencil. Okay, now here like this you can fix the pencil in the compass and both ends should be equal. Both ends should be equal like this we can. Now here see, I'll show you how to draw the figure. First what I said, AB line segment we have to draw, that is base. Okay, suppose this time keeping like this, these two edges should be equal length. We should, both ends should be same equal length, then only we should get exact figure. Just I am taking, I am extending, I am taking 5.5. okay, so metal pointer at the 0 you can keep, metal pointer at the 0 you can keep, and here 5 centimeters 5.5. okay, 5.5 we can take. Here 5 is there, no, so middle between 5 and 6 you have 0.5, so this is a 5.5. okay, now with this radius you can keep that indications. Now you can take like this points with the scale. Now you have to join these two ends like this, and this is a AB base of a quadrilateral and line segment which is having radius 5.5 centimeter. Now with a center A, now angle A 45 given, no, So you should draw an arc by using protractor. Okay, you can take the protractor. It is the semicircular shape. No, now I don't have. This time saying 45 means like this will come 45 degrees. Okay, so from here to you have to take 45 degrees angle and you have to draw the ray. This is a ray which is having angle 45 degrees. Okay, now you have to you now this is a 45, and from the center A same you have to take radius 5 centimeters. Now again you have to take the 5 centimeter. You can adjust the compass. Actually this is not a compass, this is a divider. Just you can assume like this. 5 centimeter you can take, and with the center A, one metal pointer at a center A, and you have to take arc. Okay, this is a arc. Now this ray and arc meet at a point that let us take as D. Okay, now you have B and D centers. No, by using these two centers, now you have to draw two arcs which are having length 3.5 and 4. From D 4 centimeters we can take. So from D 4 centimeter, once you can fix the compass, you can adjust up to 4 centimeter. Now this is 4 centimeter. Now one metal pointer you have to keep it D, and you have to draw the arc like this. Okay, now this is the arc you got, and that is the radius 4 centimeters from here to here. Next, from center B 3.5, you can take 3.5. okay, this is the 3.5. from center B you can take one more arc, draw one more arc. So these two arcs meet at one point. That point let us take C. Now join this BC and DC. Now you have to join BC and DC like this. Okay, now you can get the quadrilateral ABCD, and you have to write the values also. DC, CD value, this is radius 4 centimeter, this is 3.5 centimeter we took, no, radius. So now this is a main diagram of the quadrilateral ABCD. This only here I drawed main diagram. Okay, for understanding this I said you how to draw by using given measurements. Okay, now the same figure I drawed here. See, first line, construct a line segment AB with the radius 5.5 centimeter. This is a AB line segment. And next point, with the center A, I told you, no, with the center A you have to draw an ray. This is a ray. Why? Because angle is given means we can call it as ray. Okay, now radius means we can call it as arc. Okay, now with the center A, draw a ray which is 45 degrees, arc which are equal 5 centimeter. Okay, second point. Now third point will becomes this intersecting point is keep as D. This ray and arc you can intersect what point, one point, no, that is let us take D. Okay, now with the center D and B, draw two arcs equal to the 4 centimeter 3.5 centimeter respectively. This from these two centers we need to draw two arcs which are equal to 4 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter respectively. The intersecting point of these two arcs are keep as let C name. Okay, now join CD and BC or CB. Okay, these required quadrilateral ABCD is formed. Okay, very simple this construction steps also. Once you know how to draw this, you can write your own steps how you should draw. Same manner you should write the steps. Okay, I hope you understood. You can take the screenshot and you have to write in your classwork. Okay, this is the solution. Okay, thank you.